Let me show you something most people never realize. That $49 bottle of supplements sitting on a store shelf, in many cases it costs under $5 to produce, and sometimes a lot less. The natural health industry looks like it's about wellness, but behind the scenes, it's one of the highest margin businesses in the world. Higher than clothing, higher than electronics, even higher than cosmetics in many cases. So how is that possible? It comes down to three main factors. First, ingredient cost. Most vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts are extremely inexpensive in bulk. When purchased at manufacturing scale, the raw materials cost per bottle can be just a few dollars. Second, manufacturing efficiency. Supplement manufacturers run massive production batches. Once a formula is set, the cost to produce each additional bottle drops dramatically. So while the production might be $3 to $7, retail pricing often lands between $39 and $69. That's where the margin comes from. And what's interesting is, most supplement companies don't manufacture anything themselves. They use contract manufacturers, private labeling, and turnkey fulfillment, meaning you don't need a lab, you don't need inventory, and you don't need to be a scientist to enter the space. If you're curious how the full model works, including startup cost, manufacturing, and how products actually get to market, I put together a free breakdown that walks through the entire structure. You can find that link right below this video. It's a fascinating industry once you see behind the curtain, and most people have no idea how it really works.